Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So today I am going to do a product review for Craspire. I had Anna over there contact me and asked me if I would be interested in some free samples from them and to do like a product review. So I said of course. So I placed my order and they sent me the items. I've already done an unboxing and I will make sure to leave that video in my description box below if you're interested in that. I also have a discount code for you guys that will also be in the description box below, along with Craspire's link to their shop there, as well as a link to all of the products. So we're going to go ahead and get right into it. So the products we're going to be reviewing today is going to be these 3 stamps. And I have to tell you, as you can see, I've already been playing. I absolutely love them. So I have gotten out everything that I need. So we have our wax warmer, we have our little spoon, and our wax pellets. So we're going to get right into this. And I do have this mold here that is going to help me out because you guys know I do not have the steadiest of hands. I did get out a little toothpick here because to me that's good for stirring and making sure that it's all melted. It's also good if you want to do multiple colors, which I'm not sure if it's going to show or not. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. See in here how it has the pink and the white. So yeah, I did a pink and a white there. And what I am using are these little pellets, and I am using 4 for this particular product. But the thing we want to concentrate on are these beautiful wax seals here. They are absolutely amazing, and I have to tell you, I am seriously in love. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a little stir here and see where we are with our wax. Please be extremely careful, and this is not made for children. So I'm thinking this is about good here. So I have another one ready, and for the purpose of video time, I'm going to go ahead and put it up there. So I am going to put my wax in here. And again, on this one, I'm using 4, and I have used 3 pinks and 1 white. So now we're just going to take our mold and sit it down in here. And it really doesn't matter if it's upside down or not, because of course we could take it out and then actually, turn it whichever way we want. And you can actually glue these. You could do a bunch of these ahead of time and glue these and have them ready for your projects. So these right here, guys, actually have weight to them. So you just want to sit it down on there. The weight that it has built into it is going to keep it pressed down and let that wax harden up before you take it up. So we will go ahead and I'm going to get out, let's do a white this time. So I'm going to go ahead and get out a white, and then 2 pinks or 3 pinks here. 1, 2, 3. And they have some amazing products over there, guys. When I was actually looking around to see what I was interested in, I mean, it is just amazing what all they have over there. And to me, and in my opinion, they are really good prices for their products, and the shipping did not take that long. It really did not take long for it to arrive at all. So that was good. It seems like sometimes we order stuff and it takes it forever to get here, but for this, it really didn't take it long at all. So I think this one may be about ready here. Give it just a few more seconds. just to make sure we're good. And all I'm using for the warmer is one of these little tea lights. I think I actually got these last year on sale, on the after Christmas sale, which is a really good time to get those. So we will get that in there. Then we're going to trade it off with another one. I just have a rag over here, guys, for that drips down, because apparently I don't know how to do it without dripping it. And now we're going to get this one and just try to sit it in the center and just leave her be. This one should be done. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty. Look at that, guys. How pretty is that? So you could just make up, like I said, a bunch of these, put them in a bag and have them ready. You can, glue them down on a project. Or if you're better at it than I am, then you could just freestyle it and close up envelopes with it, or, put a ribbon in it. You could do all kinds of things. Me, I am not that talented. But yeah, these are turning out absolutely amazing. I love these. Alright, so we will get out 4 of this color. And whenever you change colors, now I went from a lighter, I guess that's what, like a copper look, and now I'm going darker. If you actually go lighter, you want to make sure to clean out your spoon really good before you go to the next color, or you'll get those colors mixing in. Oh, there it is. So you can see I lost my toothpick. So we'll go ahead and give this a little stir and see where we are with the melting. I mean, there's so many things you could do with wax seals. You can actually have markers. I know I've seen people do it with the gold and the silver, and actually go over the image there to give it a different look. It kind of colors it. Now this one right here, guys, if you see how it's a lot smaller, so this is the first one that I've done, and I wasn't sure how many of the little pellets I needed. This one was with 3, and then the rest of these are with 4, so I definitely like the 4 better, and I think this one may be ready. Oh, look at that one, guys. And this one actually says Merry Christmas. It's upside down right now. We'll give it just another minute or so, and we'll pull that one up, and I'll let you guys see it. Okay, so you want to keep an eye on your wax when it's melting, because you don't want it to like burn, which I'm surprised I haven't did yet, but okay, so we got that. I'm just going to scooch that on there, and be careful you don't touch that metal part in your spoon, because it will burn you. Okay, so we're going to do this, and I'll show you guys another trick too. Although, unless you're doing it straight on the project, if you're doing them ahead of time, I don't think it really matters. But if you're not doing it ahead of time, it will matter. Alright, so let's let that one sit. Let's see, which one do we want to do next? We've already did the thank you, the Merry Christmas, and this one. I do have some more items over here that I got, but we are going to do those in our next video and see how we like those, because those will be like freestyle, freehand, whatever it is you want to call it. Okay, so that is getting hot there, so we'll get that done. We'll see. I don't think that's quite ready yet. So again, you do have to have a little bit of patience and actually, let it cool so that it hardens before we start messing with it. I think that one may be done, but we're not going to take it out yet. Alright. Yeah, that's still got a little bit more to go. Not too much more. Right. Let's see if this one's ready. I think this one's actually ready. Oh wow, so pretty. Gosh, I love these. Okay, so I think that's cool. So let's go ahead and pop this. Oh look guys, how pretty is that? This one says Merry Christmas, and it's inside a wreath. It is so pretty. And the details are just like crystal clear. Absolutely perfect. Okay. So let's get this one here. Yep, this one's a lot darker. Okay, so it looks like we have 3 of all of them except for Merry Christmas. So I actually think we will do another Merry Christmas here. Right. Awesome. Love that color. That's like a deep burgundy looking color actually. I think now that I'm looking at it. That's it. We're going to go ahead and blow that out. Don't need a fire starting. So yes, be extremely careful when you're using the tea lights. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. I think just to show you what all you can do with these, I am going to get out a gold and silver, I think. And this is just a metallic color pen. And maybe we will just color on these just a little bit, just to show you how you could have all of that detail in these stamps really come alive. So all I'm doing is just brushing it over the raised up part, which is the design. And these are roses. Oh, that looks so good. All those details in these stamps are amazing. Yep, I love that. And then maybe we'll get this little raised part here around it. It's like a frame. I absolutely love this stamp. So pretty. Oh, look at that. Beautiful how that brought that out. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this one up. Oh, how pretty. Oh, I love it. I certainly do. Okay, so let's do the thank you in the silver. And again, we're just going over the raised part. On this. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh, you can see that really good. Okay, so now let's do the wreath in the Merry Christmas. And see what it looks like. I am loving this. Oh wow. Yep, that's turning out really good. Oh yes, look at that, guys. Wow, so pretty. Okay, so let's do this one. I think that silver's coming out a lot better, showing up better anyway than the gold. But yeah, the details in these stamps are amazing. Love it. Let me go around the frame here. Awesome. Yep, very pretty. So there we go, guys. So this one is the flowers. Very, very pretty. And that was with the gold, and this is with the silver. All of those details. I'm sorry if my camera is not focusing as good as it should. Look at that thank you. How pretty is that? To put on a thank you card when you sell something or send happy mail. And then of course the Merry Christmas. Very pretty. Alright guys, so those are 3 of the stamps. We got the oval shaped roses there, and we got the Merry Christmas inside the wreath, and then we got the thank you. Absolutely love those. So you guys go over and check out Craspire. Again, I will make sure to leave a link, their link to their website in the description below, along with all the products that I purchased. 2, 3, 4, it was actually 5 products. So in the next video we'll actually go over the other 2 items. So that's 3 of them. We will go over the other 3 items that I actually bought, and I now have wax seals to go in my stash. Alright guys, and don't forget there's a coupon code in the description box below. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.